Hi, Alex from Airseal here to show you today a really easy to install new 4-litre jug product. On the back is a full instructions about what to install it into and how to install it and the volume of product required. Also contained within the box is the little installation pump. The tube then goes inside the end there like that. Also comes with a valve core removal tool. It's very small but ideal for the sort of equipment we're looking at here today. Take the top off, you'll see it comes with it's a sealed lid. Peel that off as so, and then all you've got to do is pop the pump straight in top, down as far as it goes, and then it will screw on to the top of the jug like so. We're now going to install this into a trailer tyre. Remove the valve core. Put that safely to one side and your valve core removal tool. Now the tyre is completely deflated. Fix the plastic hose over the valve stem like so. Very straightforward and simple. Now to pump the product in, but you need to keep count. In a tyre of this size it's 16 units, so that is 16 pumps of product. As you can see with a clear hose pipe, I've now primed that hose pipe. So there's now product ready to go in. 16 pumps, it's very straightforward. Just like that. Just remember to keep count. And that is the product installed into that size of tyre. You then just remove this from there. You can hear a little bit of air coming back out that was still in the tyre. Get a hold of your valve core, which you can see there. Retighten up the valve core. A little bit fiddly, but it's not too tricky. Once that's screwed in, like so, reinflate the tyre and away you go.